Yo, yo, yo. You guys know what I do. Another quick tip of the day. Alright guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you haven't ready yet, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspired team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Alright guys, today quick tip of the day is tomorrow's never promised. So I want you to try to be the best version of yourself and try to live a happy life. Because you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. So just focus on the present. Focus on what's going on today, the next 24 hours, and you know that's it. Do what you can to make yourself happy. Just enjoy life. Life is very beautiful. Don't stress on things you can't control. And you know, just be your own role model and just live it up, y'all. That's it. Alright fam, that concludes today's tip of the day. I just want to make a quick video just to reassure you guys that life is very beautiful, man. Like so much people are stressing out and going through a lot of negative phases. Hey look, you gotta understand that you only have one life to live. So I'm trying to make your life the best life ever, okay? And just try to have fun. Just be happy, man. Don't worry too much, okay? Bill's always gonna be there, alright? Just remember that, okay? I will post longer video, guys. I know I want to make my videos really quick for you guys, just in case you guys waking up and you need something positive. You can check my channel out. I post these videos on a daily to try to inspire you guys to try to get better, do better, and be better. See you guys next time in the next motivational, inspirational video. If you haven't ready yet, click the like button. Subscribe, join the family. You know what it is, guys. See y'all later, man. Peace.